Now, the Ministry of Home Affairs brought out a notification that the Border Security Force will have now a 50-kilometer radius from the international border to within the state territory. It is already in place in some of the northeast states and union territories, but now Punjab and Bengal government have specifically taken on the centre, asking for a recall and importantly asking why at all have the 50-kilometer radius. Is this extension valid for national security or is this infringing on federalism? Take a look at this story. The Border Security Force is now empowered to take action within a 50-kilometer radius from the international border in Punjab, West Bengal, Assam and Tripura. The Narendra Modi government has released a notification for the 10 border states and 2 union territories. The centre says this move is to curb illegal activities linked to national security.
दायरों के चक्कर में अगर आप पड़ेंगे तो आप जो है वो पूरी तरह से बंटाधार करेंगे जो आपने किया है। अरे भाई उनको बोलने दीजिए, उनको कुछ ना कुछ तो बोलना है, उसका कोई मतलब नहीं है।
So what powers will the Border Security Force have? The MHA empowers the BSF to conduct searches, arrest suspects and make seizure up to the 50-kilometer from India-Pakistan and India-Bangladesh borders. The BSF is now authorized to take action under the CRPC, Passport Act and Passport Entry to India Act. The government notification in effect says any officer in the BSF is now empowered under the CRPC to take action without an order from a magistrate and without any warrant.
Our troops which are deployed on the borders, they will now be able to go beyond the present territorial limit, which was of 15 kilometers in some of the states. So now that has been increased to 50 kilometers. So now they can go and search, seize and maybe arrest beyond those present borders.
The move has led to a political face-off, raising an uproar from the state governments over administrative jurisdiction in the affected states. Punjab Chief Minister took to Twitter, calling this an attack on federalism. The Mamata Banerjee government in West Bengal is now asking why the 15-kilometer radius has been increased to 50.
लॉ एंड ऑर्डर इज ए स्टेट सब्जेक्ट। 15 किलोमीटर तक बहुत था, 50 किलोमीटर माने आप स्टेट का टेरिटरी में घुस के जो इच्छा वो कर सकते हैं, ये गलत है।
Congress leader Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary has called the latest notification brazen infringement upon the territory of states. Other Congress netas have joined in.
बहुत ही नकारात्मक कदम है और बहुत ही दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण कदम है। ये संघीय ढांचे पर आघात है, कुठाराघात है और तुरंत इस अध्यादेश को वापस लिया जाना चाहिए।
The BSF has got more power now, but will it help curtail increasing drug trafficking, infiltration and terrorism that is making our border states suffer for years now? Bureau Report, India Today. So let's go through state by state where the BSF jurisdiction is now going to be in place and what are the changes. Take a look. In Punjab, which is currently agitating 50 kilometers from the international border, in the India-Pakistan border to within the state of Punjab. Also moving on there now to other states, that of the Bengal government also remember has been agitating similarly India-Bangladesh border. There and 50 kilometers from there to within Bengal. Also the state of Assam, 50 kilometers radius. Now there are other states as well apart from these three. Gujarat, 80 kilometer has now been limited to 50 kilometer radius to Gujarat. What about other states including Rajasthan and Manipur, specifically northeastern states where the jurisdiction remains? There is Manipur, Mizoram and other states like Tripura. These are all northeastern states. Remember, there have been tensions in some of these states as well, and Meghalaya as well. For Rajasthan, as of now, there has been for the longest time the 50-kilometer radius that had been maintained, and the union territory of Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh also has, with the border considering with Pakistan, a hostile neighbor, the 50-kilometer radius also in some of these states. But the question is, only with primarily these top states of Punjab and Bengal, which is now the latest reference of 50 kilometer, has not been appreciated. So I want to go across to my colleague Manjeet Sehgal in Chandigarh. Manjeet, why is it that Punjab, which clearly faces serious issues, whether it is of illicit trafficking of drugs, there is terrorism, there is of course the ongoing Khalistani movement that Pakistan is trying to revive in Punjab. 50-kilometer radius, according to the government, is to manage those national security issues. Why is then that the state government is not happy with it?
Well, Pooja, two types of voices are being heard. One is in favor, another is against. Let us talk about the people or the leaders who are in favor, like Captain Amrinder Singh or the leaders who are nationalists. Captain Amrinder Singh says the politicians of Punjab should rise above the politics and should not drag the security forces into politics. So Captain Amrinder Singh and leaders like him are in favor, saying that attempts being made by Pakistan to infiltrate the terrorists and cross-border smuggling of narcotics, counterfeit currency, besides the arms and ammunition, will be stopped when Punjab police and the BSF will work in tandem and work together. So on the other, there are opposition parties like Aam Aadmi Party and the even ruling Congress and opposition Shiromani Akali Dal who are saying that this is an attack on the federal system. These powers of police will be snatched by the BSF.
Yes.
7 districts in Punjab will be under the control of BSF. This is what is being feared by the opposition parties. But there is a lot of confusion whether the powers of BSF will be limited to the NDPS Act, the Passport Act, or it will also be interfered.
So that means there needs to be more clarity, and of course the administration would be concerned if their powers within the state that they have every right to could just be taken away by the border security force within the cities and the areas close to the border as well. Thank you so much, Manjeet Sehgal, for all the latest on that.